How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here. As you can see, I'm not at home, not in Norris, not in Knoxville. I'm up in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee at Spring Rod Run 2018. I got the truck here. None of my friends have shown up yet because they're getting off work or they're heading this way or whatnot. But this is going to be an awesome weekend. It's supposed to be a gorgeous weekend. I cannot wait to see what's in store. It's going to be a lot of fun, guys. Cannot wait to take you all along, of course. And I'm going to get the truck kind of spruced up a little bit, get it wiped off, and then let's hit the strip. First of all, I'm going to show you the cabin real quick. Airbnb link will be down in the description. Make sure you comment saying Trucks and Water sent you here. But as you can see, we got a full-fledged driveway. It is a little steep, but it's a full-fledged driveway up to this wonderful cabin. I mean, it is absolutely super clean and nice inside. You actually have a key. You don't have a code, though she'll give you the code for the key. But you have a key, so you go in here. As you can see, very nice wood, windows everywhere. The view's amazing. You got like a kitchen here, fridge, all that stuff. You can get your first like master bedroom off right to the side right here. Second room is off to here. I mean your bathroom, of course. Like I said, kitchenette, the deck. We'll go outside here real quick and I'll show you the really cool part. Go up the steps here, and we've got like a air hockey table, a little sitting area. Wonderful view, of course, of the Smokies. And then we got the bedroom. Got my stuff in here and a bathroom. Now, go outside on this wonderful deck. An awesome view of the Smokies. Come over here to the hot tub. This is what I really like this cabin is you got your own little fire pit. You got your hot tub. There's no neighbors behind you. Off to the side a little bit right there. But your own hot tub with a little bar area, fire pit area. Yeah. Pretty legit. And the water's cold right now. The hot tub is only 75 degrees. But yeah, it's very, very, very nice cabin. So like I said, guys, make sure you comment to her that Trucks and Water sent you here, the YouTuber. Make sure you like check it out, guys, if you want to stay up in Pigeon Forge. Not just for Rod Run, but if you want a family vacation or vacation from life. Because we all need one of those every now and then. Trust me, I do too. So yeah, guys, cannot wait to see what this weekend's in store. It's going to be freaking awesome. Alright, guys, I just got done with Chick-fil-A. About to head to the Truck Fest pre-party right now. It starts at 6, and it's about 5:51, so we're gonna, you know, go there and have a great time. We're getting fancy now with the drone footage.
Hope you got drone insurance. Chopped my head off.
I know. So we got Tennessee Diesel Mafia over here. If you guys don't follow him, hit him up on Instagram. He's another local truck page of mine. And then we got TDA, Tennessee Diesel Addiction. If you haven't followed him, you haven't heard of him, then you probably haven't been living through rock your whole life. He's the host of this meet, of the pre-party, and the Truck Fest is going on tomorrow that you'll see also in a later video, or already video that's come up. I don't know if I edited it or not yet. But what do you think of the meet so far?
Oh, dude, it's pretty sick, bro.
Yeah, it's pretty good. We got trucks coming in left and right. So we'll walk around, look at some stuff, and let's see. My truck's been beautified.
It's a window tint.
Yeah, so do I. I'm fish bowling really bad. Diesel Mafia is the first one to touch my wheel. Zoom in.
Oh. Damn, that shit burn, bro?
No, we're good. No fingerprint.
Okay.
No fingerprint. We are good.
Are those brand hammer? I'm so sorry. That's a freaking, look at that.
Oh, damn.
That's a diesel.
Is that
That's a diesel.
is that a 4BT Cummins?
Diesel.
Well, yeah, it's a Powerstroke's head gasket. Oh, shit.
Is that a cool thing to do?
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah.
You always gotta do that.
I like that.
Damn.
I like my OBS.
Damn. And we got like the 4th gen. I want a 4th gen so bad. Do you think that's a Ram? I'm not sure if that's a Ram. I don't know, man. I just don't know. Hell yeah. Hey, he's got the same wheels as me, just different.
Why didn't you go chrome? Or like a...
Too much chrome on that truck. Way too much chrome on that truck. I don't like chrome.
Clap a hood on this piece of shit for, right? It is junk.
God. Could you imagine trying to clean them? And a bunch of lights. What's up, guys?
Yeah, man.
We're out here hanging out. Could you imagine all those light bars on at once?
I used to have 6 on my truck.
God.
I had like 20-something feet of light bar.
What's going on, bud? Muddy Peach has arrived. Good. Dude, those look so mean. Oh my gosh. I like them better than the Forces, honestly.
Quality.
How's those Furies ride?
They're soft.
They're soft?
They're soft.
No, not compared to that. That's like riding on a...
Maybe not that soft.
No, they're hard.
Really?
Wait, that's... Jacob! What the hell are you doing?
Cruising, brother. You want to park? I'm gonna park next to TDA, right?
Is she 700?
800 easily.
I just know everyone right now. I'm just... What's going on, man? Nothing much. Johnny! What's going on, bud?
Hey, I'm sober right now.
I know, you'll remember me this time. Dude, I'm digging the 24s. Now they're... Ready?
Yeah.
I heard that you can show her how to beat them.
No, that's it. Kilian's all excited. She finally got to see Crackhead Campers truck.
No, I finally get to take a picture.
Hi, puppy. Hi, dear. You want to be part of the vlog? Hi, dear. Oh, you're so videogenic. Oh, look at you ruining the shot. Oh. Is that underglow? Actually, that's really cool. I like that.
Are these tires? These are big.
Is this a Cummins Duramax powerstroke?
Is this a Duro Power?
See, hang on, let me think there. Oh, that's okay. YouTube. Hey, that was the best tit I've seen all day. So, Kilian, what are we witnessing right now?
What are you guys doing? I hope they see this. Can I ask them out the window?
No.
Please?
No.
Please?
No. They are paddling. They have oars and they're
paddle faster, I hear banjo music!
This is like the most entertainment we've gotten all night so far.
Oh, this is a Crackhead Camper truck. Oh, yes.
Are you done? Are you over it now?
No, I will never be over that truck.
It is a very nice truck.
No, don't mess up. Okay. Run!
What are those? You talk about a lift kit.
Ballin'.
So, Kilian, what are those things right there?
Is that like hair flip?
I don't know.
We don't do no gossiping. We don't do no arguing. We don't do.
Show them for the YouTube! Show them! Show them for the YouTube! Is that a diesel? Is that a diesel?
Oh, a diesel.
A diesel?
No, it's just broke, so it's smoking.
Okay, okay.
Can he show his boobs for beads? Who? If you want to, you can.
Oh God! Yeah, right in front of a cop.
Do it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, public
indecency. Hey, you wouldn't believe the guys that'll show their titties for some beads. Do it.
Hold the GoPro. She's called you a he.
Show 'em, show 'em, show 'em. Yes, I love it.
YouTube famous.
I love you. Love you. I fucking love you. Trucks and water.
You look like deep down.